to my YouTube channel DigiLearner. In the previous video and PPT PowerPoint presentation, we have already discussed about the different party system and what is a political party. In the present discussion or present lesson, we shall discuss about what is the functions of political party. So, in this political party chapter, we have study about 80 lesson. So, we have already studied the meaning, definition, component of party system or different party system. In present lesson and present video, we shall discuss about the functions of political party. Political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions in the democracy. Democracy is equal to political party. The political parties are just like life and blood of democracy. The growth of political party in a political system is extra constitutional. So, in the constitution of the most of the country or most of the states, there is nothing mentioned as a political party. So, political parties are extra constitutional. The democratic system cannot work without the existence of political parties. The democracy which is being practiced all over the world is called representative democracy or indirect democracy. In this system, governance is done through a people's representative because it is impossible for each citizen to directly participate in governance. The need for representative democracy has given rise to political parties. So, every democratic system has a party system. Why did political party become a omnipotent in democracies all over the world? Let us first answer what the political party performs or what are the functions of political parties. The political party performs a number of functions in a democracy. They are discussed under this point. First, contest election. The primary functions or motives of political party is to contest an election. Parties contest election. In most of democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidate put up the political parties. Parties select their candidate in different way. In some countries, such as USA, members and supporters of political party choose its candidates. Now, more and more some countries are following this method. In other countries like India, top party leaders choose candidate for contesting election. So, the primary functions of political party is to contest election. Secondly, formulate policies. So, we have discussed about in the definition of political party that every political party has some common objectives and common goal. So, the political party put forward different policies and programs so that the voter can choose from them. A political party bring a large number of similar opinions under one umbrella. The opinions are channelized to from policies and programs. The policies and programs of ruling party are expected to be followed by the government. So, this the important functions of political party is to formulate policies. Thirdly, making law. Political parties play a decisive role in making laws for the country. You may be aware that it is the legislature which passes a law after proper debate. As most of the members belong to the political parties, so a political party has a direct say in law making for the country. Fourthly, formation of government. The parties form and run the government. The big policy decisions are taken by political executive that comes from the political parties. Parties recruit leaders, train them and then make them minister to run the government in the way the party wants. Fifthly, role of opposition. So, there are different political parties. There are a number of political parties. One or the alliance number of and making coalition or alliance partner of a different group form the government. The other alliance partner or parties act or play its role, their role as the opposition parties. Those parties that lose the election and do not get majority in the legislature play the role of the opposition to the parties in power by voicing different views, criticize the government for its failure or wrong policies. Opposition parties also mobilize the public opinion against the government. So the opposition party has an important role in a democratic system, and without opposition party, a strong opposition, the democratic system cannot work successfully. So the opposition parties also always prepare to present alternative government or a shadow government. So it prepare its leader to become to form the government, which leader become which minister. The opposition party always prepares. Sixthly, shaping the public opinion. Parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues in legislature and in the media and other platforms. Parties have a lack of members, activists spread all over the country. Many of the pressure groups are the extension of political parties among different sections of society. Parties sometimes also launch movement for the resolution of problem and faced by the people. Seventhly, access to government machinery and welfare scheme. Parties provides people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by the governments. For an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach a local party leader than a government officer. This is why they feel close to party even when they do not fully trust them. Parties have to respond to people's needs and demands. Otherwise, people can reject those parties in the next election. Eighthly, political education. Political party performs the functions of imparting political education not only to their follower but also to the common people by debating the political, cultural, and socio-economic problem faced by the country. In this way, the common people get political education. So, thank you very much. We have already discussed about different functions of political parties. In the next video, I will provide you other lessons of political party. Thank you very much. I encourage you to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.